Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Volkswagen Beetle with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard sheets, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable adhesive. Next, find and print a detailed template of a Volkswagen Beetle. This template is crucial for accurate scaling and precise cuts. Finally, set up a well-lit workspace with a protective surface to ensure safety and precision throughout your project. Now, let's start cutting. Carefully use your craft knife to cut out each piece from your printed template. Precision here is key for a great final product. Once cut, gently score along any fold lines. This helps create clean, sharp bends, giving your Beetle its distinct shape. Begin assembling the main body sections, using your strong adhesive to secure the pieces together firmly. With the main body taking shape, it's time for those iconic details. Focus on creating the Beetle's distinctive curved fenders and smooth roofline. These elements truly define its classic look. Next, carefully attach smaller components such as headlights, bumpers, and windows. For added strength, reinforce critical joints with extra cardboard strips. This ensures your cardboard Volkswagen Beetle is both detailed and durable. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. You can apply a protective coating or paint your Beetle for a more polished and realistic appearance. Consider adding small details like wheels and interior elements to enhance its realism even further. Your cardboard Volkswagen Beetle is now complete and ready for display. For more great deals, and to bring your space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.